Hey everybody, my name is Seduraman and this is one of the many videos where we discuss, explain and talk about Web3 stuff. In this video, we are going to explain the concept of decentralization. Now, the term decentralization might be the most frequently used term in the Web3 space. So what does it actually mean? Well, quite literally, decentralization means the transfer of control and responsibility of any given system among various entities rather than keeping it with one single authority. It is a fancy way of saying that everybody is in control of a system or that everybody is responsible. So how is this a good thing? Well, to understand decentralization better, let's go back to our little classroom from the previous video. In our one kid writes down all notes classroom, you can see that a single student controls the entire note-taking process, and that student can actually decide what to write or if he even wants to write. He can decide if he wants to share the notes with others or if he even wants to show up in the classroom. In this situation, the other kids in the classroom would have to place their trust in this single student and believe that he will do an okay job without having much evidence to support their belief. Here, the entire process of note-taking is centralized, and as you can see, such systems can be devoid of inclusive decision-making, they may promote higher censorship, and last but not least, they usually work on a trust with no evidence model. Now, cut to a decentralized system. Here, you can see that since everybody has control over the system, they all have a say in the decision-making process, and this directly prevents a lot of censorship issues. And since the responsibility of the system is distributed among its participants, everybody knows what is going on in the system, and hence they don't have to place their trust on any single entity, as they themselves are exposed to the truth regarding the working of the system. Now, all this might print a pretty nice picture of decentralized systems, but they are not without flaws. For example, in a decentralized system, it might take more time to reach a conclusive decision, and there can be practical issues with the coordination among the participants in the system. Also, decentralized systems can be more resource intensive. But if higher inclusion, lower censorship, better collaboration, and overall transparency are some of the things that you deeply value, then it is better to opt for a decentralized system. Got it? Great. See you in the next one.